Hello everyone, today's Thursday morning here at the ELCA Churchwide Assembly. As you can see, I am in the plenary, and today we are recognizing Thursdays in Black, along with the World Council of Churches, towards an end to rape and violence in our world. So you will see that most of the folks today are recognizing that in solidarity. We also had the opportunity to hear from many of our ecumenical partners.
Good morning. Good morning. We as WCC would like to congratulate you, Presiding Bishop Eaton, on your re-election. We thank God for your servant leadership, and as World Council of Churches, we look forward to your leadership with your team in ensuring the continuity of the ELCA in contributing and bringing the gifts that God has endowed you to the worldwide fellowship of churches.
Many of our ecumenical partners vote on the inter-religious relations policy. We had the opportunity to hear results back from some of our voting and found out that Andrew Springhorn, one of our very own, is on the on the committee of discipline. Congratulations, Andrew. That's really exciting. And we had the opportunity then to spend time with our synods and vote on many memorials and resolutions. Lots of discussion was had on the floor, lots of understanding of Robert's Rules of Order. All in all, it was a really great day, and I am looking forward to Friday. So see y'all tomorrow.